Hey, what's up, everybody? This is part 2 of my science experiments, and I think today we're gonna try and actually set something up. What I've got over here is, if you'll come over here and take a look at this, we've got the scientific method. There's several steps to this, and the first one is observing, and then you question and research. Then you'll make a hypothesis about what you think of what's going on. Then you can come up with an experiment. After you have an experiment, you'll come out with some data, and then you can conclude on what your ideas are about the topic. Today, our topic is going to be clouds. I've been spending a lot of time outside. Hopefully you have too with this great weather. While we've all been home. And if you look up almost any day, you're going to see clouds. And so I decided I'd do some research. So I found this awesome book. It's The Cloud Book by Tommy DePaola. I guess that's how you say his name. And I guess I can just read y'all a couple of lines out of this book. On the second page, he starts explaining. He says, "Clouds are little drops of water or ice hanging in the upper atmosphere high above the earth. There are many different kinds of clouds. Some are high up, some are in the middle, and some are low down in the sky. The three main kinds of clouds are cirrus, cumulus, and stratus. You can tell them apart by the way they look and by where they are in the skies. The first type, if you can kind of see here, are cirrus clouds. They're white and feathery, and they're the highest clouds. They're sometimes called mare's tails, which if you look, that's a horse, and it kind of does look like the tail there. All right, the next type is cumulus clouds. They're puffy, and they look like cauliflowers. They also have flat bottoms, and they are always changing shape. They are also very low down in the sky." Kind of get a good look up in there. All right, our third and final type of clouds is the stratus clouds. They are also low. They look like wide blankets of gray and are sometimes called high fogs. Drizzle or snow flurries may fall from them. You probably won't be seeing too many of these around right now. All right, as you can see, I did a little wardrobe change for this next part of the scientific method. We're gonna hop into the experiment, and I'm gonna need an assistant. Sam, come over here and help me. All right, if you'll come a little closer, I can show you what we've got set up here on the table. We've just got an air bike pump, and it is attached to a tube with a stopper. We've got a 70% solution of isopropyl alcohol and just an empty 2-liter bottle. For this part of the experiment, I'm gonna ask Sam to pour a little bit of this alcohol into the bottle. This won't really hurt you, so if you get it on your skin, that's fine. Pour a little more in there. You good? Perfect. What I'm gonna do next is try to roll this around the inside of the bottle, get the bottle good and coat it up. Again, this stuff won't mess with your hands. Just try to rinse them off with water after. All right, then we're gonna hold that, Sam, if you don't mind. Take this stopper, plug up our bottle. All right, Sam, I'm gonna hold this. You'll slip around. He's gonna try and give it 10 good pumps. Perfect, so now it's good. You can feel the bottle's really tight. We'll come a little closer and get a good look here. And as you can see, all the pressure build up on the isopropyl alcohol and then quickly released, turn it into kind of a gaseous state. There's still a little bit of liquid left, but a lot of it turned into gas. And that is just like a cloud. Because as we learned earlier from our research, clouds are particles of water and high up in the atmosphere. And we kind of did that today. And this is kind of hard to do at home. You definitely could do it if you had these things. But I figured it'd be cool to watch, and hopefully you were entertained. Thank you so much, Sam, for the help. And I hope you enjoyed it.